Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite features in modern JavaScript, something that makes building strings so much easier and more fun. Think about any app you use. Maybe it's an online store. You place an order, and you get a message like, "Hi, Alex. Your order of 3 books is confirmed." That message is dynamic, right? It changes based on your name and what you bought. So, how do we build dynamic ticks like that in our code? Let's explore the classic way first, then I'll show you a much better way. First, let's set up some variables for a fictional online order. Imagine a customer bought something from our store. Okay, so I write const customer name equals to single quote Maria semicolon. So this is the customer name. Next, const item name equals to single quote wireless mouse semicolon. Okay, this is the item she bought. Next, const quantity equals to 2 semicolon. Next, const price equals to 25 semicolon. Great, we have the customer's name, the item they bought, how many they bought, and the price of a single item. Now let's try to create a confirmation message using a traditional method with the plus sign to connect everything. We'll call it confirmation message old. This can get a little messy, so watch closely. We have to be very careful with our spaces and quotes. So I write const confirmation message old equals to single quote hello space then plus customer name then plus single quote again comma your order for space plus quantity plus single quote units of the space then plus again item name plus single quote again has been placed. The total cost is $. Next, plus again quantity multiplied by price plus single quote dot semicolon. Now I want to show it to the console, so I write console.log confirmation message old semicolon. Okay, let's run this and see what we get. It works. The console shows, "Hello, Maria. Your order for 2 units of the wireless mouse has been placed. The total cost is $50. But look at the code. It's a bit hard to read, isn't it? All those plus signs, all those single quotes, and trying to remember where to put the spaces, it's easy to make a mistake. If you forget just one space, the words will all run together. This is a classic problem, and for years this was just how we did it. Now we have a superhero for building strings, template literals, or sometimes called template strings. So, what are they? Instead of using single or double quotes, we use backticks. The backtick key is usually located above the tab key on most English keyboards. Let me show you the magic. We'll create the exact same message, but this time with template literals. So I write const confirmation message new equals to. Now I have to place backticks here. So I click the backtick key above the tab key. Okay, then I write hello. Now I just want to place my variable here. But how? If you just type the variable name here without any special symbols, you get a text with that name. So it's just not right. You have to do something special here. And the special thing to do is you have to put here $sign and next set of curly braces. And after creating that, you can place your variable inside those curly braces. Anytime we need to insert a variable, we use the $sign and curly braces, like you see it here. And we just put the variable name right inside. We can even do calculations directly inside the braces, like we're going to do with quantity multiplied by price. So I continue with my string, comma, your order for. Now I want to place my quantity here dynamically. So $sign, set of curly braces, and quantity. Next, units of the. Again, I want to place here my item name. Okay, again, $sign, curly braces, item name has been placed. The total cost is $sign. Now, this $sign, we want it as text because it's a $sign. But we want to place here the value dynamically. So again, we have to use $sign for our special syntax. Curly braces, quantity multiplied by price, and dot and semicolon. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's one clean, flowing string. We write the text almost exactly as we want it to appear. Anytime we need to insert a variable, we use the $sign and curly braces, like this. And we just put the variable name right inside it. We can even do calculations directly inside the braces, like we did with $sign, curly braces, quantity multiplied by price. JavaScript calculates the result and places it right there in the string. No more messy plus signs. No more worrying about extra spaces. It's clean, readable, and just makes sense. This is the modern way, and I strongly recommend you use it whenever you need to combine variables and tags. But wait, there's another cool trick that template literals can do. What if you need to create a string that has multiple lines? For example, a shipping address. The old way was, again, a bit awkward. You had to use a special character, \n, which means new line. It looked like something like this. You don't have to type this, just watch. Console.log, single quote, shipping address, colon. Now I want to show the address next line. So I have to use \n here. So I write \n 123 main street. And again, I want to go to the next line. So \n again. Any town, comma, USA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Semicolon. So I run it. You see, it works, but it's not very visual. With template literals and their backticks, it's incredibly simple. You just press enter. Let's try it. So again, const shipping address. Now I use backticks. Shipping address. I want to go to the next line. So hit the enter. Okay, now I write 123 Main Street. Again, enter. Now, any town, comma, USA 12345. Semicolon. Now I want to show it into the console. Console.log shipping address semicolon. And there you have it. The output in the console has the line breaks exactly where we put them in our code. It's intuitive. This is extremely useful when you're generating blocks of text or even HTML code directly in your JavaScript, which is something you'll do a lot as you get more advanced. So to recap, when you need to build a string from variables, use template literals with backticks. To embed a variable or even a JavaScript expression, use the $sign curly braces syntax. And if you need a string with multiple lines, just hit enter inside the backticks. It's a powerful tool that will make your code cleaner and your life as a developer much easier. Have fun with it. And before that, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.